Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to replace a Honda Pilot fog light. First, ensure your vehicle is safely supported on jack stands. You'll need to access the fog light assembly from underneath the front bumper. Carefully remove the retaining clips and screws from the inner fender liner. This will allow you to pull back the liner and reach the fog light housing. Take your time to avoid damaging any components. Once you have clear access, locate the electrical connector attached to the back of the fog light. Gently press the tab and pull to disconnect it. Next, identify the mounting screws or clips securing the fog light assembly. Use the appropriate wrench or screwdriver to remove them. With the fasteners removed, you can now carefully extract the old fog light from its position. Now, take your new fog light assembly and carefully slide it into the opening. Make sure it sits flush and is properly aligned. Reinstall the mounting screws or clips you removed earlier, tightening them securely but not over-tightening. Finally, reconnect the electrical connector to the back of the new fog light bulb. You should hear a click, indicating a secure connection. With the new fog light installed, reposition the inner fender liner and secure it using all the original screws and clips. Double-check that everything is properly fastened. Carefully lower your Honda Pilot from the jack stands. Turn on your vehicle and activate the fog lights to confirm the new light is working. Enjoy your improved visibility and safer driving.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.